All right, welcome back to STAX Education. This is Eric here with Investor Central Club and STAX. Got a pretty awesome one for you guys today. Take a look back on our STAX AI. What we have here is LW Lamb Weston was called out on the 25th of February. Strike of 60 for January of the 16th, 2026. They purchased almost 2,000 of these contracts at $5.33. Take a quick look here. They just had their earnings. They are a potato giant here in the US, and what they've done is they've double beat on earnings. They are one of the main suppliers for McDonald's for their French fries. If you take a look at the stock itself, so we first off have a double beat on earnings. The call out is over here marked in the little blue circle. And what you can see is earnings, we had a giant pop, giant run up from there. From their entry, we're looking at about a 14% return, $7, up $7 from their entry. Some of our analysts, a few of our traders in our Discord did enter some shorter term calls for Lamb Weston. We do have some other people who followed and have gotten out with a little bit of a profit. Let's take a look at what those look like. So I've marked the two here. The one that STAX shouted out right here, where they got in on the 25th, you'll see this giant spike over here is where they entered. Those ones here are up to $9.25. Remember, their entry was at about $5.33. So they're up about 73% from there. The one for Andy, Andy called out in our Discord, $1.32, up from the $1.05. So about a 30% return in terms of that shorter term contract. Pretty nice return for a short-term trade that you see here. For those that are interested in joining STAX, we do have a short-term code that's going to be available for you guys. Use LW10 at checkout for a 10% off. Again, this is Eric with STAX. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us, help@investorcentralclub.com. Hope you guys were able to follow up on that. It shows you how easy and how simple STAX AI makes trading for you in terms of looking for these returns. Quite a nice return for those that did get into that STAX AI print from back in February. Until the next one, we'll talk to you then. This is Eric with Investor Central Club.